Hello everyone, and welcome to this very brief video where I'm going to guide you on how you're going to use our Harvest Courses app. Let me zoom this one. So this is our Harvest Courses app that you're going to use from time to time, and in this very short video I'm going to talk about the installation of the app on your phone, how you're going to sign in to access the courses and other materials like notes and slides, how you're going to access the live online lectures, the Zoom link for each of the upcoming sessions, how you're going to access the bookshop if you need to purchase any books. I'm going to talk about the members area or the student area, your menu, and then any other resource that you're going to get on the app. And my name's CPA Innocent Mugisha from Harvest Training and Consultancy, and of course, as you know, we always strive to educate you on our products. So without any further ado, I'm going to take you straight to my presentation, and I'll start with the installation. So we shall install our app from the Play Store. You can go to your Google Play Store, or if you're using an Apple phone, you can go to your Apple App Store. And of course, like any other app, like the apps you see here on my screen, you just come to the Google Play Store, or you can go to the Apple App Store if you're using Apple phone. And then here in the search for the apps, you come and get the Harvest Courses. You can type in Harvest Courses. Then when you type in Harvest Courses, definitely that search result is going to come. Then you select that. So you see that the Harvest Courses app comes among the many other apps. So on top here, you can see we have the Harvest Courses and our logo is there. So you just click on that. And of course here, I don't have it on the phone, so I'll be required to install it. So I'll proceed to click on install. And like any other app, it will proceed to install. So as you can see, it's moving a bit fast, depending on your internet, of course. The app will not take long to come to your, the app will not take long to be installed on your phone. So as you can see, the installation is taking place, the download is done, and after that, definitely you simply open. So I can click on open, and then when I click on open, like any other app, the app will open up for me to be able to view the content on the app. So welcome to the Harvest Courses app. Even if I don't click on open, if I take you back here, you'll see that Harvest Courses app is listed among your very many other apps. Of course, you have different apps, so you see that is right here. So again, I can simply click, I can touch my screen on the Harvest Courses app, and it will definitely open like before, like I demonstrated previously. And of course, now I'm going to take you into, so here we are into the app, self-paced courses and live online courses, the bookshop. When you look at the menu here, there are so many things. We have the courses, we have the courses tab there, we have the live online tab here, where you're going to see all the classes. Now these are live sessions. You can join any, you can read about it and then join any. These are now the courses where you're going to download your notes. The pre-recorded lecture videos are also here, assignments are here, and all that, depending on the course you're doing right now. Then we have the bookshop. The bookshop, you see a list of books that are available for you for purchase. Okay, Some of these books come with the courses you purchase, so we shall give you the copies. But if you're interested in any of these books, you can just touch the screen, touch on the book you want, then you look at the details of the book, and then you proceed to pay. You can pay online, or you can contact us, and then we give you how best you can pay for this. Then we have the home tab here on the menu. Home tab, you see the addresses, the phones where you can reach us, our website. You can still access the website here, and then the videos that talk about what we do, talk about what we are offering, including this very video. You find them listed among the videos here. You can call us. You can see the button allowing you to call us here. You can directly call us right here. And then app, I want you to look at app here above the slider, above the logo. There are some 4 icons. One is like a cat. That one will be showing what you're purchasing. Then there is a bell like icon. That one, sorry about that. That one will be giving you notifications in case there are messages we are sending you. You pick them there and under the bell. Then there is this other one which has an icon similar to that of WhatsApp. There are 3 dots there. That one you'll be finding the different communications that we have done with you. Then I'm interested in one that is just below the watch, the clock, where there is 10, 11, just below that circle. This is your menu. Okay, when I click on it, you see right now I'm not yet signed in. So when I click on it, it takes me to this page where I'm supposed to sign in. So before I go there, I want to talk about the courses, because that's where I'm really interested. So when I click on the courses tab, you see that we have different courses. These are self-paced courses, we have accounting courses, we have short courses. So all these are courses you can take up here. Now, as you can see, as I'm moving the screen, I have Tally here, I have QuickBooks, that's a full course, Financial Management, complete course, Public Sector Accounting, complete course, Financial Accounting, a complete course, Quantitative Techniques, and so on. So any of these, if you are, for instance, if you're doing with us Financial Accounting, right here, you will simply log in to continue. Okay, if you have already signed up and you're already doing the financial accounting, you have access through our website. With the app, you can still access the same material by simply logging in to continue. So I'm going to tap on login to continue here. So because I've not yet signed in, the system or the app is taking me to this page where I'm required to get started. So just tap on get started here. When you tap on get started, you're going to be required to enter your email address. So please here enter the exact email address that you have registered with us. For instance, I'm going to put in this for demonstration purposes. So I put in the email address there. Then of course I click on continue. Now when you click on continue, the app is going to take you to this page here. Now it is saying check your email for a link. Use the link in your email to continue. Now if you're already signed up with us, you don't need to go to your email. You just come down here, just at the bottom. Look at the bottom here. There's already have a password. So you click on login. So when you click on login, the app is going to take you to this field where you're going to enter your password. So I'm going to enter the password. Okay, I'm going to enter the password. You can even click on this I if you want to be sure of what you've entered. Then you click on login. So you make sure you enter your password properly. Then you come and click on this button. You see this button here, login. Just tap on it, and then the app will take you back to the content. And this time round, you'll be able to see that the app has recognized your email. Now, for this particular email that I'm using, you see that now the courses have this indication that you are a participant. So I am a participant in professional ethics.
I am a participant in auditing. So if you have courses you're doing with us already through the website, even on the app, you will be able to access those courses. So let me try out with financial accounting. So it is saying I am a participant. So it means that I'm going to tap on continue here. When I tap on continue, I'm going to be taken to the financial accounting page on the app. So as you can see, these are the steps in financial accounting. These are the units: course overview, introduction, regulatory framework. So all these are units. So I can still go to the overview tab here, just next to the steps tab. When I click on overview, it is going to give me the overview of this course. Okay, financial accounting. But of course, most of you will be interested in the steps. So here, if I want to now go to introduction to financial accounting, I just tap on introduction to financial accounting. So here, the app will give me details about the introduction to financial accounting, what's going to be covered, and then I can get the notes. As you can see here, on the very first step, I have lecture notes and resources. So when you click on that, you'll be able to download the lecture notes. So I just tap on that, and then the system will download the notes. Okay, so let us see what's going to happen here. These are the notes. So you can download the notes on your phone, and then later you print if you want. Lecture videos, still the lecture videos, you can be able to play them. For example, if I want to play this video on site navigation, let me tap on this site navigation. The video will come. Okay, I can play the video by clicking on the play button, but remember the app will mute, so make sure you come back here and unmute so that you can get the volume. Okay,
Hello and welcome.
so you make sure you unmute all these videos so that you can get the volume. You can tilt your phone like this so that you get a bigger view of the video. Okay, you can do that so that you get a bigger view of the video. As you can see, my video is now in full screen mode. So all this can be done on the app. You can see how we've simplified your life. Now I want to talk about the menu, your menu. So there is this round icon with the kind of a man where there is a slider just below the clock 2018. I'm going to tap on it. You may not see my finger tapping on it, but when you tap on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Okay, it's going to take you to your profile. Like this particular account I'm using is for Basimilao Bernadette. So that is Basimilao's profile, and then this is Basimilao's account. Okay, the profile, the account, the profile, the account. So under the account, you can see there are groups. Okay, you can access the groups where you belong. Like we put our students under any group, the orders you have made, your programs. Okay, your programs here, the subscriptions, bookings. Now remember the bookings. You remember being talking about this. The bookings is where you find the lectures, the Zoom link. Okay, the Zoom link for the upcoming lecture, you can find it under the bookings. Okay, then my programs, that's where you're going to find the courses. If you have more than one course or even one course, all these are going to be listed under my programs. So I wanted to really emphasize your menu. So as you can see, for our student here, all these are courses the student is doing with us, and they can be able to access these easily. Now let me go to live online here under live online. So under live online, you see that you can see all the courses, when they begin, how much you're supposed to pay, when they end. So when I click on info, for instance, let me take an example of this evening class of financial accounting just here. When I click on info, it's going to display information about the financial accounting live online. To talk about the lecturer, talk about the time the course started, when the course is expected to end. For instance, here, the course started on 9th of January. It is ending on 26th of April. 32 sessions in total, online, via Zoom. All those details are given here in the banner. So again, about the course, the schedule, when the course takes place, and then right here, my real interesting part is this, the full schedule. When you click on this arrow right here, you will be able to see the days this course is going to take place. So you will not miss a single session, because now you have the full schedule. You know that I have a lecture on the 9th, on the 11th, on the 16th. And then again, we also share with you the study plan, what we cover on each of these days, so that we ensure you participate fully, we ensure you follow your course fully. Even if you're online, you'll be very, very efficient. And of course, our study and our analysis has shown that our online courses, people attending the online courses are scoring highly, because online is very, very organized. As you can see, the entire system is computerized. So you can always click on the backward and you can look at all these. Okay, because I don't have enough time, I'll go straight to the bookshop. The bookshop, I've talked about it, all these books, you can read about them. For example, if I'm interested in the taxation book, click on the taxation. It will take me to the taxation. I can add this to the cart. Okay, when you add it to the cart, of course, your cart up here shows that you have added something on the cart. I can also click on information to read about the book, whether it covers what I need before I purchase it. The product information is all given here, etc, etc. So basically, this is how simple the app is. Not very, very complicated, very simple app. If you have any challenges, you know my contacts. You can come here on the home page and of course let me know. On the home page, you'll be able to see your upcoming sessions. For instance, for our student here, the upcoming sessions just below here, QuickBooks at this time and all that. I just put this for demonstration purposes. So that is it for now. We shall maybe communicate. We shall be able to communicate in case we have any additional information, and in case of any additional features, we shall still let you know. So I wish you all the best, and of course, I know you're going to enjoy your app. And you're going to see value with the Harvest Courses app. Thank you.